Good morning everyone. Welcome to the ICT tutorial video. So this is your practical class. In this video we will learn how to insert a clip art in PowerPoint application, how to insert word art, and how to animate any object by using custom path. Okay, so first we will start with inserting word art. So for that I need to add one additional slide here, which we can add by pressing Ctrl plus M key, or we can go to Home tab and click on New Slide, and I'm taking blank slide here. Okay, so this slide I have taken blank because I just need to add any clip art here or word art here. Okay, so now go to Insert tab, and here we are getting this option of word art under text group. Okay, so click on this word art option and you will get different effects here, text effects, text style here. So I'm taking this one. Okay, so this area has come. You can write your content inside this box. Okay, so you can write word art here. All the letters I'm typing in capital. Okay, word art. Then by these dotted line you can resize it, and by this green dot line you can rotate it. Okay, like this. This is clear. And when this four-headed arrow is attached with the pointer, at this point you can move this object to anywhere in the slide. Okay, so I'm rotating it again to get it fixed. Now it's clear. Now next part is how to insert clip art. So we can insert clip art by clicking on Insert tab, and we get Pictures and Clip Art option under Images group. Okay, so click on clip art and see on right hand side clip art dialog box is here. Now next, first of all I'm going to draw a shape. Okay, so I'm clicking on the shapes option, and I'll take this option which is called Freeform. Okay, this option is called Freeform effect. See, this Freeform option let us draw line freely. Okay, so we get this option under Insert tab. Click on Insert tab, then go to Illustration group and choose Shapes. Under Shapes group you need to go to Line section and choose this option which is called Freeform. Okay, now click on this and start from here, now from downward downward to upward direction. Okay, so we are drawing a line from downward to upward. So try to draw a line straight and then like this. Okay, now click here. Okay, once you have drawn the figure, click on that figure, and then you will see another tab which is named as Format tab will appear here. Click on that and go to Shape Fill option and choose Texture from here. So I'm taking this wooden texture. Now click on Insert tab again and go to Clip Art section. Okay, and I need one ball here. So already balls are listed here in the list, so I'm taking first picture. Okay, but this shadow I need to remove here. Okay, this ball is attached with this shadow. Okay, so how can we remove it? Place your pointer here, okay, on this line, and do right click. Yes, when this group of commands will start appearing, then you need to choose this group option. Okay, from here you need to ungroup it. Okay, now this will ask that this is an imported picture, not a group. Do you want to convert it as Microsoft Office drawing object? Click on yes. Now select the shadow. Okay, then click on delete. Now shadow is deleted. Now place your football here, and if you want to resize it shape, resize it from here. First resize it from this end also, and then place it here. Okay, now I'm going to add animation effect on this object, which is ball. Okay, so I'm selecting it. This is selected. Go to animation tab and click on add animation, or you can choose animation style from here. Go to more motion paths. Okay, so from here you can choose any random option. I'm taking this right one. Okay, so once you have chosen any option, you will see this effect option will get active now, and from this option you need to click on custom path. Choose custom path. Okay, and here also you can draw a path, and your object will move on that path that you have drawn. So start drawing from here. Okay, now see. Now go to slideshow and start playing the slideshow. Okay, so practice this at home. That's all for today. Thank you.